Ka entry exit point umling kala Treikam Pura nadu umtakas Nyngkong ban Talasi yakina urung nomi kebawan nekwe perkijala bandrung syapo ke Meghalaya. Ia kana ka Khyrdop lawan ban pri da sembut menteri rangba kejala ba perstun tensong harangkan kajian sekilang kisang balang ba per kibadan napo kejala.
And then food are what about those the new registration? Those who did not.
Wanted by the people of the state long time back, and today I should say, today is the red letter day, where ultimately we are able to inaugurate this entry point, which is known as facilitation center for those friends coming in or entering into our state. So thankful to all of my colleague Minister Bahamlet and also my colleague MLAs in the Assembly who are able to be here and then to witness the inauguration of the entry point this morning. I think you must have inspected each and every counter. So this one is an humble beginning done by the government. Well, I would like to tell you, we may have shortcomings here and there, but I would request to every concerned, please feel free if you have any kind of suggestion. We are ready to accept it. We will modify it, and not only modification report or facilitation center to the extent where our friends coming in from different parts of our country as well as from outside the country, that the moment they landed here in this place, they feel homely and they feel safe. Entry or facilitation center like this, it's because we wanted to make sure our friends coming in from outside the state are totally safe, and not only safe by registering themselves, because nowadays, you know, when we say registration, maybe people thought that, well, I have to go and then I have to spend my whole day in queuing up in the line. But now, as I said, the technology is already in place where the e-device is in place and people can do pre-registration, and those people who cannot, the moment they landed here, again we will make sure that the system is fast and then they don't have to wait for long. So hesitate to visit the most beautiful state, the most beautiful states, I should say, in India, like Meghalaya. And the people of Meghalaya are so welcoming to all of them. And I would like to assure our friends coming from outside the state, feel homely, be here with us through your pre-registration or maybe on the spot registration. We are there to help you out. How many days you want to stay in Meghalaya? You are free, just indicate yourself, and then the destination that you wanted to maybe to visit different parts of the state, we are there to help you. So that is the intention of the government. The next entry point of facilitation center that we are going to set up very soon. Number one is Mynder. Land has been just handed over to the government, and number two is from the Chinese Ratasar. And that also, I'm happy to inform all of you that the land has been handed over to tourism department. So hopefully by next year we will be able to set up similar entry point or facilitation centers in these two places. And the next one is Mynder railway station. I think within another 2-3 months we are going to inaugurate Mynder. And the next one is Umroi Airport. It's already in place. We have, because today, you should know, today It's a red letter day, both for entry point and number 2 is not only entry point, even direct flight from Delhi to Shillong, Shillong to Delhi. Initially, as a small beginning, I just wanted to tell you, twice a week, this flight will fly from and to Delhi. So now, as I said to you, the facilitation center has been already in place in Umroi Airport, and number 2 is Mentipatha railway station. Very soon we are going to inaugurate this entry point or registration center or facilitation center, whatever you call it. And I'm sure by doing this, we build up the confidence of everybody, both sides, be it from our own people in the state and also our people coming in visiting our state from time to time. Strength. And not only that, you see, because now that Migrant Labor Act, which was passed by the Assembly, we have already approved even the rules, and I'm telling you that health also will be created over here, where those laborers who wanted to register themselves, who wanted to maybe to get the information about their, registration and all, that will be also set up in this place itself. Kenal tanggawi, ini masuk tuhan. Kinong India, mak benong bagi long bian dan wan lung hang non wijela por India. Ini man kenal hai kata. Kamdon na ke constitution coba India, benong bau nong nang thena kat tau nang ban rum apa mela. But kamdon lu ke constitution na ke India benong ba unong Meghalaya nang ban rum kata kata. Ini masuk tuhan. Hamne ka kebangila ngombi, this model, I think it is the first model ever in India, in different states. Haka bangingi kwa, ngombi bangin don ya kaneka facilitation center, ka entry point, bakin register, la pide ki tourist, la ne pide ki bawan don kam, la ne pide ki professionals, la pide ki students, la pide ki laborers, ki bakwan one place ni, ngingi kwa ban register. Habang register kamu dapat orang bagi hanglat bagi muat. Dengan kuat ban orang yang ngilek ya kene nak minta ke cimbik cimbian jongki. Maria kene ngi pen involve. Akan ka an ke jongi ngi pen involve nadu kantor barsno. Hadu ke police station. But hadu ke district task force kamu bahar dari deputy commissioner. But ia tolong ladon ngilak link lang akan ka sistem kau ngilek. Dia nak kata orang ki kamu ban orang bagi kuat ban khang ye noi no bagi wan ten re ha bagi wan dakkan ne kelenti ngani tu ipi lagi sa system ne ki sa ru banai ne ki sa shi asnem ne license ne ki bopuli ki sup don e ban ong ban kuslai naman pi ngatai pi tek tek iseng bahalang bopli dia le dia check kini kita kum kini ki lebo license kini nang ne sekma ngan shi tu pa nang ne sekma ngin simplify ka but we'll make sure bagi bawan hane hapo presela jadi ni welcome ni tambah kita dan perbiang ya ki Islam. Dan ya ki menambah jom kari India lada dei illegal mo ki illegal kemudian lagi. Dan lagi bawan lemba jom visa ki pasport jom ki barang biang nasional again dia kata ni sudah register ni tak ada sih.